Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show guys Facebook setting, and today video title is guys how to edit cover picture on Facebook. Friends, you want to edit your cover photo, you want to edit your cover picture on your Facebook account. So friends, now let's see how to edit. One by one we will talk about. Without waste time, turn on Facebook application in your Android mobile. So friends, on your Android mobile friends, you can see this type interface. So friends, first of all you will tap here Facebook profile, edit profile setting, tap here profile picture you want to edit. So friends, if you tap here, so you can edit your profile picture. You want to edit your cover photo, you want to edit your cover picture. So friends, tap here edit option and you can edit. For any example friends, I will select a new photo. So friends, this photo I will select for any example, adjust. After adjust friends, you can see this type interface, and friends you can see add avatar to your cover photo. You want to add any avatar to your cover photo. If you tap here, so you will have to create your avatar. After create your avatar, you can add your avatar on your cover photo. Friends, save option, tap here, and friends, now we will check photo will edit or not. Failed. So friends, we cannot use these photos. Edit option, again tap here. So friends, we will select a new photo. For an example friends, I will select my new photo. This photo I will select, adjust, save option, tap here, picture will edit. Friends, you can see Facebook uploaded. Friends, you can check your cover photo will edit. You have new cover photo for your Facebook account. If you tap here, so again you can edit. And friends, you can see profile picture you want to edit. So you can select your new profile picture and you can edit your profile picture. Example, you want to add any sticker, so you can add a sticker. Tags, you want to add any tags, you want to show tags on your profile photo, so you can add. You want to mark here, so friends you can mark here like that. You can mark here. And you want to reset, so you can reset here. Done option, tap here, save option, your profile photo will set, your profile photo will edit. After edit, you can change your profile photo, profile picture you can change, and you don't want to change, come back, tap here. Like that you can edit your profile picture and you can edit your cover photo. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you have any doubt, you have any problem, so friends you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.